Notice how much water is collecting at the edge of the solar panels. I bought some stainless steel drainage clips to install at the end of the solar panel to take care of that issue. I knew I would have to install drainage clip because the slope on this metal roof is very low. Since I was waiting for the drainage clip to be delivered, I was curious to see if I can create my own. Those two solar panels at the end are sagging. I will have to add extra support in the middle to make it straight. This is what I came up with using a paper clip and a plier. I was able to bend it to the shape of the solar panel. After making some modification, it looks like it was working a little bit better. This was really easy to make. It took me less than 30 seconds. I was amazed that it was working this well. It took no time for the water on the solar panel to drain using that paper clip. Comparing to the solar panel next to it, you can see that there is clearly a difference. If you don't want to buy drainage clip, it is possible to make your own successfully. I do have support on the back side of the solar panel to prevent the sagging. I just have to add it on the front now. I hope this video was informative. Hopefully it's useful to someone out there. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.